কোনো বেয়া কথা নহয়.
Thank you.
What about Article 244A?
So we have given whatever you have got under 244A, we have given everything. Right from budget preparation, everything we have given. Now state government has nothing in my hand. I cannot do anything in now Karbi Anglong. I have given everything. So there is nothing I can do now. I have given my power to budget. I have given every department. I have given everything to Karbi Anglong.
But sir, when it comes to passing the laws in the council,
You can still, that is also I have said Karbi Anglong. Then you next time, you decide about the passing the law. Governor will sign. You don't have to give it to the state government. So that also I am going to do in soon. That Karbi Anglong Council will pass the act and directly they will send to the governor. No need to send to the state government. So that is also I am ready. Whatever I have, take everything.
Thank you, sir.
Also, sir, what is your stand for our PGR VGR situation?
PGR VGR is whatever as per law. PGR VGR should be clear. That is the only thing. But High Court you have to fight. It is an order by High Court. State government has already said that whatever law allow you do everything. But High Court we cannot control High Court. Now High Court is above me. But I have given another advice that we can in the PGR VGR land we can construct an airport for the people of Karbi Anglong, and I can push that because other side they have said not good, but this side we can also think of doing a good airport. Land will be utilized, and whoever will be affected will give them compensation. We'll go to the High Court. We'll give them compensation. We'll give them Zirat value, whatever. Even in if we construct a road, then people get compensation from government. So we can utilize PGR land also in a good way. There is no problem. But only thing I don't like when two community fights. I want that everybody live in coexistence and peacefully. Because if you fight, all over India people will know that Karbi Anglong is a disturbed area. So we should amicably, we should sit across the table and we should resolve. Everybody is our brothers and sisters. You just do not allow fresh people to come. Whoever is originally here, they should be treated as a brothers and sisters.
Sir,